There are new developments in the trial of the former Minneapolis police officer charged in the death of George Floyd. A Minnesota Supreme Court ruling today means it is likely the judge will have to allow another murder charge against Derek Chauvin.
Right now, Chauvin faces charges of second-degree murder and manslaughter. Judge Peter Cahill could allow third-degree murder to be added to the charges. Criminal defense attorney Joe Tamburino, who has no connection with his trial, says that the decision will help prosecutors.
Whereas with a third-degree murder, all that is required is that you do something that is basically a depraved mind. You have absolutely no regard for the safety of others. So instead of having to jump through a number of steps, third-degree murder is simpler.
Esme Murphy has been watching the court proceedings. She joins us right now. And Esme, things are moving very quickly. Do you think that will be possible with new charges? Would that delay things?
Well, actually, Amelia, we'll find out exactly at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's when the judge said he will talk about this ruling from the Supreme Court. But the people I have been talking to say they think it's going to be just the opposite. This will mean that this trial will stay on a fast track because the concern about the delay was waiting for the Supreme Court to rule, which they just did. But again, we'll hear at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, 2 more jurors were selected in this case, meaning a total of 5 have been impaneled. Derek Chauvin at times huddled with his attorney as the jury selection process continued. Most of the time he sat looking intently at the prospective jurors or took notes. All of the prospective jurors had seen the video of the fatal encounter, and almost all, like a white male prospective juror in his 60s, had a bad impression of Chauvin.
That's a very negative impression. Right. And it doesn't necessarily mean that that negative impression would prevent me from looking at the facts behind the case.
Defense attorney Eric Nelson seems skeptical.
And sir, I don't mean to challenge you.
No, I understand.
Believe it or not, you're not the only person in the world that may have a negative impression of,
sure,
of my client, and it's okay. But you're the only person who really knows what's in your heart and in your mind.
The defense ended up striking this particular juror. The 4th juror chosen to be on the panel is a white man in his late 30s who is a data sales manager scheduled to marry his fiancée on May 1st. He believes there is systemic racism in the justice system and has a highly favorable view of Black Lives Matter.
Black Lives Matter, yes, they do matter, and I don't know why anyone would be against that movement.
The 5th juror that was seated is a black man in his 30s or 40s who is an IT security manager who speaks multiple languages and came to the U.S. 14 years ago. So right now, the makeup of the jury is this. We've got 5 jurors who've been impaneled, 3 white men in their 30s, a black male in his 30s, and a biracial woman, we believe she's biracial, in her 20s or 30s from northern Minnesota originally. That is the panel right now, and sources also say they are surprised with how quickly, relatively quickly, this jury selection process is going. There were a lot of concerns that we would not have 5 jurors by this point.
Yeah, it is surprising. I mean, they gave them, what, 3 weeks, right, to choose jurors?
Absolutely. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow, and we'll hear at 8 o'clock from the judge on that big Supreme Court ruling.
All right, Esme, thank you. And CBSN Minnesota is your source for live updates during jury selection. We're going to stream the entire trial once opening statements begin. You can watch free on any device through the CBS News app or just go to WCCO.com.